Hi everyone, let's crochet muzzle of alpaca with white yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring to work 6 single crochet for round 1, 6 stitches in total. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Slip off the magic ring, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook, yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops. So, this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 5 more times to work 6 single crochet. The second single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6. See 6 stitches. If you have more than 6 stitches, undo them until you count 6 stitches. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide them. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 3 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 9 stitches in total. Work 1 chain stitch at the beginning. Insert hook into the first stitch to work 1 single crochet. Mark this stitch. Next, we need to work 2 single crochet in the next stitch to make 1 increase. Finished 1 sequences of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, see 3 stitches. Work 1 single crochet next. Continue with 1 increase. Finished 2 sequences. For the third sequence, 1 single crochet first. And 1 increase. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 2. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Turn the piece inside out to the front side. Finished the muzzle of the alpaca.